Pinterest marketing. About the tutorial. This tutorial explains how Pinterest can be used as a digital marketing tool. Starting with an introduction to social media marketing, it moves on to explain the basic features of Pinterest, types of Pinterest accounts, and the terminology used in Pinterest. In addition, it describes how you can plan a Pinterest campaign and elaborates how best Pinterest can be applied for the purpose of digital marketing. Audience: this tutorial is meant for beginners who are keen to market their business on the internet. New business owners can find a basic idea of how to market their business on Pinterest. Advanced users can find new tips and motivation for marketing their business. For all other enthusiastic readers, this tutorial is a good learning material. Prerequisites: we assume the readers have excellent communication skills, a creative eye for graphics design, typography, or imagery. It is a plus if you are a regular user of social media. Disclaimer and copyright. Copyright 2018 by Tutorials.I, Private Ltd. All the content and graphics published in this ebook are the property of Tutorials.I, Private Ltd. The user of this ebook is prohibited to reuse, retain, copy, distribute or republish any contents or a part of contents of this ebook in any manner without written consent of the publisher. We strive to update the contents of our website and tutorials as timely and as precisely as possible. However, the contents may contain inaccuracies or errors. Tutorials.I, Private Limited provides no guarantee regarding the accuracy, timeliness, or completeness of our website or its contents, including this tutorial. If you discover any errors on our website or in this tutorial, please notify us at contact@tutorialspoint.com. I Pinterest marketing table of contents about the tutorial. I audience. I prerequisites. I table of contents. 2.1. Digital marketing, introduction. 1. What is digital marketing? 1. Social media marketing. 2. Principle of social media marketing. 2.2. Pinterest, basics. 3. Working principle of Pinterest. 3. What is Pinterest used for? 4. Types of Pinterest accounts. 4. Pinterest terminology. 6.3. Pinterest, account settings. 7. Setting up a Pinterest account. 7. Pinterest as a social network. 10.4. Pinterest, interface. 11. Changing a Pinterest profile. 13.5. Pinterest, pinning. 15. Types of Pinterest boards. 15. Categorizing on Pinterest boards. 15.6. Pinterest, pinable images. 22. Pinning an image. 23.2. Pinterest marketing. 7. Pinterest, rich pins. 25. What are rich pins? 25. Creating a rich pin. 27.8. Pinterest, promote your pins. 28.9. Pinterest, promoted pins. 32. What are promoted pins? 32.10. Pinterest, tracking the traffic. 34. Customer demographics on Pinterest. 40.11. Pinterest, planning a campaign. 41. Pinterest, campaign planning. 41. Following other pinners. 42.12. Pinterest, drive traffic. 44.13. Pinterest, generate customer loyalty. 45. Why does customer loyalty matter? 45. Pin alerts. 46.3. Pinterest marketing. 1. Digital marketing, introduction. Today's era of internet has opened a gate of vast variety of opportunities for businesses. Using social networks, one can not only share a private picture of one's birthday but also earn customers for one's business and reach them conveniently. The speed and ease with which the digital media transmits information and help boost a business is amazing. Let us first throw some light on the scope of digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the term used for the targeted, measurable, and interactive marketing of products or services using digital technologies to reach the viewers, turn them into customers, and retain them. So, How is digital marketing different from traditional marketing? The traditional manner of marketing involved businesses to advertise their products or services on print media, radio and television commercials, business cards, billboards, and in many other similar ways where internet or social media websites were not employed for advertising. Traditional marketing policies had limited customer reachability and scope of driving customers' buying behavior. Digital marketing achieves targets of marketing a business through different online channels. Let us see how. The following table lists a few points that differentiate digital marketing from traditional marketing. Traditional marketing. Digital marketing communication is unidirectional. Means, a business communicates about its products or services with a group of people. Communication is bidirectional. The customer also can ask queries or make suggestions about the business products and services. Medium of communication is generally phone calls, letters, and emails. Medium of communication is mostly through social media websites, chat, and email. Campaigning takes more time for designing, preparing, and launching. There is always a fast way to develop an online campaign and carry out changes along its development. With digital tools, campaigning is easier. It is carried out for a specific audience throughout, from generating campaign ideas up to selling a product or a service. The content is available for general public. It is then made to reach the specific audience by employing search engine techniques. 1. Pinterest marketing. It is conventional way of marketing, best for reaching local audience. It is best for reaching global audience. It is difficult to measure the effectiveness of a campaign. It is easier to measure the effectiveness of a campaign through analytics. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the manner of generating website traffic or attracting viewers and customers through social networking websites such as Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. Social media marketing is a subset of digital marketing. All social networking websites support sharing of content, but all are not necessarily employed for digital marketing. While Facebook emphasizes on personal sharing, Twitter emphasizes on tweeting short messages about one's opinions or reactions, and LinkedIn goes for professional networking. Pinterest motivates to market one's ideas and online businesses. Principle of social media marketing. Social media grew up as the most popular outcome of the internet, as people around the world like to communicate and share their special moments, problems, ideas, and suggestions with others. They also like to learn about a place worth visiting, a new craft projects, recipes, or a new language. Social media websites enable you to share content of your choice with right audience at your convenience. This popularity of social media has inspired the business minds around the world with the idea of small online businesses. One can open a store in Amazon, eBay, or any other custom platforms such as Shopify or etc. But the main challenge is finding the customers. There are ways like search results in Google, Bing, or in any other search engine. But for a new business with established competitors, it takes a long time to get a high rank in the search results. Social networking websites are a great solution to this challenge. The basic technique here is to share engaging posts and the right content created for the desired audience. Then the audience helps by sharing the content further, which in turn reaches further. Hence there is another option of advertising the product, services, or ideas on the social networking websites where there is less degree of competition. This tutorial describes how you can employ Pinterest for marketing your business. 2. Pinterest, basics. Pinterest marketing. Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn are some of the popular social networking websites. Pinterest is a social networking website that provides a platform for planning, collecting, discussing, and sharing ideas, common interests, and directing traffic to the business portals or blogs. In own words of Pinterest, it is the visual bookmarking tool that helps you discover and save creative ideas. Though Pinterest was launched almost 5 years after Facebook and Twitter, it has 100 million active users with 176 million registration. These numbers show that there is a lot of people using Pinterest. Business owners around the world can utilize this website as a traffic generating and audience creating tool for marketing their business. Let us now discuss the basics of Pinterest and how to employ its features. Working principle of Pinterest: imagine a notice board in front of you. You can write or print some valuable piece of information about your products or services on a blank page and just pin it on the board to inform people about they exist. Any person passing by the board can notice the page of your information. Pinterest works exactly the same way. You can register your name or business on Pinterest and have a virtual notice board associated to your Pinterest account. After your first pin on the board, you can pen down your similar ideas and relevant images and pin them to the Pinterest board. A board typically represents a category of content. The person viewing the notice board, viewing your profile, can follow all contents on your board or any single board of interest. A board can have multiple contributors. The members of a board are abided by and can pin with the rules of the board. Pinterest offers a simple yet unique visual interface with high-quality pictures. 3. Pinterest marketing. What is Pinterest used for? Pinterest is widely used for the following purposes: to bookmark an interesting idea, a recipe, a DIY project, an article, or a quote, the way you bookmark a shit on board in real life for later use. To direct the traffic to your blog or business portal. To advertise your products and services. To promote your business. To sell your products or service. To communicate with other people on the Pinterest. What is pinning? It is nothing but adding a bookmark. When user clicks on a pin, it redirects the user to the website where it came from so that you can discover and know further. You can also find pins from other people. Anything on the internet can be pinned, may it be a delicious looking recipe, a DIY project, a quote, an article, or your next adventure. What are Pinterest boards? Pinterest boards are used to save pins and categorize them thematically. You can add boards while pinning. There are general 3 types of boards: regular, secret, and group. Boards are covered in chapter Pinterest boards. Types of Pinterest accounts. Pinterest has 2 options for accounts that showcase your profile: personal account, business account. Both accounts on Pinterest are free for registration. For Pinterest marketing, there is not much difference between these 2 types of profiles except some rules and key features like analytics and widgets. 5. Pinterest marketing. Here are a few differences in personal and business accounts of Pinterest. Personal account, business account. It is used for driving traffic to one's blog or website. It is used to avail business analytics features of Pinterest. It is used for sharing one's own personal content. It is used for commercial purpose such as advertising of brand, shop, place, etc. It allows the user to enter limited information. It allows users to input extra information with website's metadata. It comes with person-specific TOCs. It comes with business-specific TOCs. Account is restricted to first and last name format. This account can accept name of the business with relaxed name format. Limited information to users of personal account. This account gives access to useful links such as stories and goodies. Pinterest terminology. Here is a list of commonly used terms with respect to Pinterest. Term meaning: analytics, practice of measuring, managing, and analyzing data. Board: a place where you can save pins. CTA call to action is an instruction to the audience to provoke an immediate response of the viewer. It uses imperative verbs such as call now, or find out more, or avail at 50% today. DIY, a short form of do it yourself. Infographics, a chart/diagram/trend used to enhance information representation. Instructographics, a step-by-step series of images combined in a single image. Pin it is a small visual bookmark people use to add to Pinterest that always points back to the sites they came from. SEO, search engine optimization, a technique of encouraging the visibility of a website or a web page in a search engine's unpaid results. It is often referred to as natural, organic, or earned results. TOC, a short form of terms of conditions. TOS, a short form of term of service. 6. Pinterest marketing. 3. Pinterest, Account settings. Having known the basics of Pinterest accounts, let us now see how to create them. The best thing about Pinterest business account setting is, if you already have a personal account with Pinterest, it can be converted into a business account. Let us see various ways to set up Pinterest account. Setting up a Pinterest account. It is very simple to set up an account on Pinterest. Signing up on Pinterest. By default, Pinterest offers sign up for personal account. Here is what you need to do. Open your browser. Type www.pinterest.com in the address bar. You get to see two options for sign up, with a Facebook account or with an email. Signing up with a Facebook account. For this option you must have a Facebook account. If you do not have, you need to create one before sign up. If you already have a Facebook account, just follow the steps below, click on button Continue with Facebook. 7. Pinterest marketing. You are redirected to Facebook login. Facebook asks for your email or phone and password. You are asked to download Pin It button. You can skip this step if you want. Pinterest offers some categories of topics to choose from. Click on Sign Up button. Signing up with an email account. You must have an email account before you choose to sign up with email. In addition, you need to enter the password for Pinterest. You need to follow all password etiquettes for the safety of your Pinterest account. If you already have an email account, just follow the steps below. Enter your email ID. Enter your password. Click on Sign Up button. There you are. Pinterest shows you home feeds based on your choice of topic. Setting up a business account. If you need a business account, then follow the given steps. Open a new tab. Visit the link https://business.pinterest.com/n. Click on Join as a Business button. Enter correct email, appropriate password, and your brand or business name. Select a business type from the drop-down menu. Enter your website's name. Click on Create Account button. 8. Pinterest marketing. Converting a Pinterest personal account to business account. Here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Sign up into your Pinterest account with your business name and email. Step 2. At the top right corner of the search box, click on the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select businesses. Step 4. On the new screen, you are redirected to a new page. 9. Pinterest marketing. Step 5. Notice a link below the red button named Convert Now. Click on the link. Pinterest asks you to choose a business category and requests for a few other pieces of information. And that is done. Your account is now a business account. Pinterest as a social network. Though Pinterest CEO, Ben Silbermann, summarized the company as a catalog of ideas rather than as a social network that inspires users to go out and do that thing. Pinterest provides the following features by which you can use it like other social networking sites. Messaging. You can message other users by which the users are connected privately. You can also leverage this feature for business by engaging pinners directly. Commenting on pins. It allows user to engage with the shared post of others. Sharing. It enables to share a pin from Pinterest to other social media platforms. 10. Pinterest marketing. End of ebook preview. If you liked what you saw, buy it from our store at https://store.tutorialspoint.com 11. Com 11. Com 11. Com 11. Com 11.